Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address in 2026. So you need to receive Bitcoin using Cash App. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, copy it, share it safely, and avoid common mistakes when receiving crypto. Alright guys, so let's move into it. The first step is to open up your Cash App and actually sign in. So go ahead and sign into your Cash App account either using your mobile number, email, or any other means of identification that the account belongs to you. So go ahead and log in. Now once you've logged into your account, all you need to do is make sure you use the same account where you want to receive your Bitcoin. So make sure it's the same profile and it is the same Bitcoin details. Alright, so the next step is to navigate to the Bitcoin section. All you need to do is once you're on the home page, head into Bitcoin and simply click on it. From the Cash App home screen, you should locate the Bitcoin section. It's really easy to find. This section allows you to buy, sell, send, and receive Bitcoin directly within Cash App. There's an option to buy, an option to sell, an option to send, get paid, and deposit Bitcoin via your Bitcoin wallet address. Alright guys, so with all of these informations available, how do we get, our wallet address? It's really easy. The first step is completing your Bitcoin verification if it is required. So before accessing Bitcoin deposit features, Cash App may require identity verification. So please, if prompted, follow the on-screen instructions and verify your identity. It is really important to do that. Alright, so once that's been done and completed, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on deposit Bitcoin or receive. There should be an option depending on the version of the Cash App you're using. Go ahead and just click on deposit or receive Bitcoin, and inside the Bitcoin section look for the option labeled receive, deposit, or view Bitcoin wallet address. And then all you need to do is just simply tap it to generate and view your Bitcoin wallet address. It should look something like this, also paired with a QR code that you can easily scan and get the same address details. Alright guys, so now the next step you're going to be following would be to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. Your Bitcoin wallet address will appear as a long string of letters and numbers, as I said earlier, alongside a QR code that you can use. And you can also create a shareable request link that you can simply send to your employers or clients or customers. That way they can simply share you some Bitcoin using that link, which is an added or an add-on on a security feature. Alright, so all you need to do now is just copy the Bitcoin address using the clipboard option, copy it, and then share the address safely. You can now send the address to the person or platform that wants to send you some Bitcoin, and you can also let them scan the QR code instead of typing the address manually. That way you get to have your Bitcoin in complete and intact manners. Alright guys, so the next step is to simply wait for your Bitcoin to arrive. So once the Bitcoin has been sent to your address, you're going to need to wait for the blockchain confirmations. Transfer times vary depending on your network activity and transaction fees. So please keep this in mind while you're expecting your Bitcoin. It may take some time for the blockchain to allow the transaction to proceed smoothly. So you need to watch out for that if you have urgent transactions to make using your Bitcoin. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can now protect your crypto account. Always verify the Bitcoin address before sharing it and avoid copying addresses from unknown sources, else you risk the chance of getting hacked or infiltrated and losing your assets. So once you have taken note of these, enable account security features such as two-factor authentication and keep your device secure. If you need to, you could also get a second phone as your backup device, or basically just simply back up your private keys, where you keep multiple copies of your private keys and seed phrases in a secure location. You could also perform regular audits where you periodically view and update your wallet access and the information to prevent loss or hacks. And then include your Bitcoin access information into your estate planning. This is a bit tricky as you may reveal your Bitcoin information to other people, but just try to secure it in a non-custodial wallet, which is preferably a hardware wallet. That way you just simply have one key and one access to that account. Alright guys, and that's how to find your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address in 2026. Leave a like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.